We're going to pop the outer cover aside, and then we are going to pick up our hinge, which is piece mark B, and we are going to pop it on our scoreboard. I have chosen to use like a vanilla-y color. I want it to look a little bit older, and we are going to score at 2 inches, 2 3/4, 3 1/2, 4, 4 3/4, 5 1/2, 6, 6 3/4, and 7 1/2. So it's a 2, 2 3/4, 3 1/2, 4, 4 3/4, 5 1/2, 6, 6 3/4, 7 1/2. So we've got a 2-inch gusset on either side. Just going to pop my scoreboard down for the time being. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to work on the back. And what we are going to do, I'm just grabbing a black Koki, is we're going to have 1 and a gusset, 2 and a gusset, 3. Just hoping it doesn't come through. No, it's not, so I can write the full word. Okay, so this is my gusset. Right, and I'm then going to pick up my 3/4 inch tape, which I'm hoping this is. Yep, it's 18 mil. And I'm also going to grab my 12 mil. In fact, I think I'm going to use the high tape 12 mil. So I'm going to put tape, the 18 mil tape, on one of the pairs. It's quite hard to see this color. Right, so we've got a pair of 1s, a pair of 2s, and a pair of 3s. So what I'm going to do is put I'm making sure I don't go over the edge. And then I'm going to do on the second pair. And the third and final pair. We'll use that a little bit later. Right, and I'm going to join the pairs together. So I'm going to join the 2 1s together, the 2 2s together, and the 2 3s together. Don't be tempted to go and fold all your score lines. It makes it really confusing. So I am going to start off by joining these 2 3s together. So I'm going to join, just fold on that score line. Once I see that it fits and it's beautiful and straight, remove the double-sided tape and fold over. Then you're going to open it up on that score line. Okay, we've got our first hinge. Now we're going to join the 2 2s together. So I'm folding on the score line between the 2 2s. And once I've made sure it's all lined up and nice and straight, remove the double-sided tape. And then finally, you can see the 2 gussets are together now. Then finally, the 2 number 1s. Burnish. you should have your 3 hinges. It will look either like that or like that. Doesn't matter, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening each hinge up anyway. Okay, so that's part 1 of your hinge.